Hi guys, welcome back to my channel. My name is Usaru and Sophia. Please like and subscribe to my channel. Today we'll be making a V-shape autogele base. For that, I'm having this ashoke which I cut out about 10 inches, two piece each, 10 inches for both. Now I'll join both together at the middle as you see me do right now. I'll sew down from one end to the other. And now I'll also cut another piece like this, two piece like this also, and which I will also join at the middle. By placing one piece on top the other and sewing just like this. And now after that, I will take one of the piece. You can see the both pieces are both 10 inches, which is 20 inches each, 20 inches when joined together. Now I will make a fold at the edge part of the ashoke like this, and I will sew it down after making the fold just to get a smooth edge. About sew it down, make the fold about half an inch and sew down to get a smooth edge. Now after sewing, I'll start making plates. I'll make as much plate as possible with this piece by folding on top of each other like this. Fold like this and sew down. I also make another plate on top, also fold on top of this second plate like this, and also sew down. I'll continue this process until this piece is entirely exhausted. So now, exactly the same way I did for this piece, I'll also do for the second piece like this by making plates on this other piece until it is exhausted. As you can see guys, I'm through with the both piece, and I have two plates which I'll be joining together at the middle just like this as you see me do, and I'll measure it out to make sure it's the length I want it to be. A normal length of an ashoke, the usual measurement I use, the normal measurement I use for making an ashoke, the width is about 18 inches wide, so it can cover the head to the back, can cover the head all around to the back. So I'll make sure this wrapping I'm doing to give me the V shape, as you can see I place it on top of each other, is about 18 inches. Then I will join it at the middle just like this one part on top the other and join. So now after joining, I will secure the joining properly. I'll make sure the sewing is secure, the joining is very secure. And now I'll cut out another piece 18 inches wide of two strands of 18 inches. I'll cut the first one, and this is the second one. I will join both together at the middle just as I did earlier. I'll join the both piece together at the middle. So now after joining, I'll place the other piece, the plate, the part that is plated. I'll place it on top this piece. I'll mark out the center of the piece. Then I'll place that plated part on top like this at the middle part. Then I'll sew from this middle part to one side, to one edge, and I'll do the same for the other part also, joining the plate to the base like this. I'll do the same for the other side. Just like this. So guys, as you can see, this is the front part. You can see now I will start. I'm about to cover the edges. I'll fold in the edges of the base. I don't have enough piece left there. I don't want the edge to shed or out, as you can see. So I cut an extra piece to cover up the edge, just like this. I use an extra piece about 1 inch wide to cover up the sides of the base, both sides, the left and the right hand side of the base. So now guys, this is another piece. This is just another piece I cut out about 20 inches long, which I'll cut into two. And as you can see, it's about 20 inches long. Now I'll make fold. This part I'm making, this piece I'm making, is going to serve as the hand of the base. I'll make it in fold to cover up the edges, and I'll sew. After sewing, I'll cut into two, making it 10 inches each, which will serve as the angle of the base, one for the left hand side and the right hand side. So now I'll join it to the base. First I'll place it on top of the base like this at the front. After sewing, I'll turn it to the other side and stitch on top to make it firm. I'll do the same for the other side, just the same way I did for this first side. I will do for the other side. So you can see, place it on top and sew. Then I'll turn it, I'll sew back like this. Now I'll sew. And that's it, guys. That's the simplest way to make a V-shape Autogele. This is the final look. Hope you all like it. The video of this is coming soon. How to make an how to make a ace Autogele is coming soon. Please like and subscribe to my channel.